Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a sister style comparison. RENE of Paris just launched 2 brand new styles for spring 2022. We have Tara and Carson. And when I saw the photos prior to launch of these, I thought, oh my gosh, this could be a great sister style wig comparison, straight and curly. And I asked Name Brand Wigs if they would be willing to let me do a comparison review of the 2, and they said yes. So I have Tara right here, and I have Carson on my head. And I'm going to show you guys how these styles are enough alike that I think you could get them both and change it up. Wear one day if you wanted straight hair, wear another day if you wanted a little bit of curl, and nobody would be the wiser. So if you want to know more about this, stick around and I'll show you. I have a full review of both of these styles out on YouTube right now. So if you want to know more about either one or both of these styles, then go watch those reviews. I will link them in the description. So I'm not going to give you guys a full rundown of both of these styles, but rather I'm going to talk about why I think they could be complementary to each other. And so if you're looking for sister styles that will allow you to change it up but still fool people so they won't know that you're wearing a wig, that sounds terrible. We're not trying to fool people, we're just trying to protect our privacy about our wig wearing. Then maybe this could be a good solution for you. It is a question I get a lot. I do have people message me all the time and ask me, hey, I've got such and such wig, what could be a good sister style that might be a little bit curly or wavy or straight if the wig is curly that might work? And it can be really tricky because if you one of the hardest things about doing that is color matching. So unless you can find 2 wigs in the same brand with the same color, you're trying to do some color matching. And while I don't think most people are that observant, if you get close, you're probably good. I think for my wig sisters who are very, very concerned that somebody know that they wear wigs, if you're very sensitive to it, then the best option would be to find 2 wigs by the same manufacturer in the same color. That way you're assured that, I mean, it's going to be hard for someone to guess if one is straight and one is curly, but it might be a little bit easier if the colors are different. So that's just my 2 cents on that. So the wig on my head right now is Carson, and I have this one in the color Shaded Amber. I did debate about asking them to send me them both in the same color, so that then it really would have been like a perfect comparison. But I really wanted to see these 2 new colors. So I've got Tara in Maple Frost, and this one is in Shaded Amber. So if you were to do this, you would just pick a color that both of the wigs come in, and then you'll be just fine. But let's talk about why I think these would be great sister styles. First of all, both of them are very front heavy. So, and you'd see that in my review of both of these. The biggest struggle I'm having with both of them right now is they hang very heavy in the face. So, you know, you're going to have your work cut out for you if you want to wear these for every day. Now, for a fancy going out to dinner, going to a wedding or somewhere, this may not be that big of a deal. It's out of the face enough that I don't feel like I can't see that I'm cousin it or anything like that. But for everyday wear, for running around, for working in an office where you're constantly looking down or moving around, that's really not going to work very well. So both of them do that though. So they both have kind of heavy in the front, which would make sense if they were the same wig, quote unquote. They're both roughly the same length, so they're not perfect, but I think that people aren't going to see you, like they're not going to see them side by side, so I think you'll be able to fool the eye. This one could be just a little bit longer to really pull it off, but I think it's close enough. And they both have sort of, you know, this one has a little bit of an undercut that's a little straighter, and then these curls on top, which I think you'd be able to get away with that because this one also has sort of the straight, choppy underside, even though the rest of it is obviously straight. So this is what Carson looks like on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick switch, and then I'm going to show you what Tara looks like on, and see if you think that you could just say, hey, I curled my hair today, and somebody would buy it. All right, ready? There goes that one. And here goes this one. Like I said, Carson, for it to be a perfect match, it'd be nice if the top layers of Carson were just a little bit longer, because you know when you curl your hair, it shortens up because you're shrinking up the hair. But I really don't think somebody's going to be able to tell. They're just going to see that you curled your hair today, and they might just say, oh, your hair looks good curled, or something like that. What this looks like is you took a straightening iron and you curled it, kind of alternating these curls. They're sort of a messy curl. You can certainly put product in this one and scrunch them up. You can put clips in. So somebody's really honestly just going to think that you took that straight head of hair and you threw some curls in it. They're not perfect curls. They're not, it doesn't look like naturally curly hair. It definitely looks like hair that was curled. Another option you would have, if you're really sensitive to this part being roughly the same length as Carson, maybe just a little bit shorter, is you could just take some of these front pieces, just do a few little twists, and then you take a bobby pin or a claw clip and you just clip it up. And then that way you can't tell. And you can clip it up in the front, because this one also has a lace front just like Carson does. So I definitely think there's some styling opportunity that would make it even more realistic. But honestly, I don't think anybody's gonna know. I mean, it's just people aren't that observant. And so let's do the switch again. So Tara and Carson. I'll throw some pictures on the end of them side by side as well. See, I mean, this one has this length here. Tara was up here. It just may not be, I mean, these front pieces are just a little bit shorter, but overall, they're definitely not the same length. This one is definitely a little longer than Tara. So I really truly believe that you could do this. You could pull this off, especially if you had them in the exact same color. So that's my sister style comparison for you guys. Tara and Carson, two brand new styles from RENE of Paris, similar enough that I think you could go curly one day, straight the next, and nobody will be the wiser. So if that's important to you and you're looking for something like this, consider these styles as potentials. Go watch my reviews if you haven't already seen them to learn all about all of their features, and then see what you think. Let me know if you guys think this was reasonable, if you think it might be realistic, if you think that people could pull it off. If you have these wigs, what do you think of them? Whatever you can share in the comments will only help your sisters. I know people read the comments because they're hungry for the information. This isn't just entertainment. This is information and education. So help us out by sharing your perspective. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Name Brand Wigs, for sending me both of these wigs so that I could do this review and I could prove that my thoughts were correct. Do you think they were? I'd love to hear. I'll talk to you guys soon.